You can integrate WhatsApp messaging into your website in several ways, making it easy for visitors to contact you directly. Here are the best methods. 1. Using a direct link, you can create a direct WhatsApp chat link using the following format. Example: if your number is 977-9,801,234,567, your link will be https://wa me 9779801234567. You can add this link to a button or an anchor tag on your website like this: https://wa me 9,779,801,234,567. Text equals hello, %20, I, %20, want %20, 2% 20, no %20, no %20, about %20, your %20 services. 2. Custom message in WhatsApp link if you want users to send a pre-written message when they open WhatsApp. Use this format: https://wa me 9,779,801,234,567. Text equals hello, %20 I, %20 need, %20 assistance, %20 with %20 your %20 services. 3. Using a floating WhatsApp chat button. A floating WhatsApp button stays on your website, allowing users to contact you anytime. You can add this using simple JavaScript and CSS. Basic code for a floating WhatsApp button. Style: WhatsApp float. Position: fixed, bottom, 20px, right? 20px, z-index, 1000. Style: replace WhatsApp icon. PNG with an actual WhatsApp icon image. 4. Using a WhatsApp chat widget for a more professional approach. You can use WhatsApp API or third-party plugins like WhatsApp Business API, widgets like GetButton, ChatWith, Thriv, or ElfSite, since you provide Microsoft 365 setup and IT support. Adding WhatsApp chat could improve customer engagement for your services. Let me know if you need help integrating it with a chatbot or automation.